consistent. I'm filming every week with a new video. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel where I post pointless makeup tutorials where no one really watches them because it's 2021 and anyways, decided to just pop up and do a small little get ready with me type of video of this eyes. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I post all my looks there. Go ahead. Anyways, thank you so much for the amazing support on here and on Instagram. Let's go with the video. Yes. This is my humble stage. Oh, got my nails done. Pretty basic, but be using the new Pat McGrath palette. It looks so gorgeous. Primarily gonna be using this one over here and with a cut crease since I already did my other eye off camera. The best way to apply these eyeshadows is using your fingers. Ew, full of a hair in my mouth. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, no one really watches makeup tutorials on here, so whatever. Go ahead and just, and I'm over here still explaining the shit. Go ahead and just pat. It doesn't have to be perfect. Messiness, it's the key. But it's funny, like from this eye, from this. I get a fluffy brush. This is by Makeupforever. Oops. I meant Morphe's Cosmetics. Same thing. Go ahead and just blend the edges. Slightly, not too harsh. Now I like to grab my eyeshadow and I like drag it all over to my hairline, just because I am a man and I want to feminize my face. Oh, like a facelift, bitch! I want a facelift without the surgery and all the payment and stuff. Anyways, how are you guys doing in this marvelous day? I feel like it's a good month. It's a good day. It's going to be a good year. So let's stay positive. And we got this. Go ahead and pick the darkest brown on this palette. The Pat McGrath Labs palette. I'm using this one. They don't have no names. They actually do have names. Oh my goodness, I'm so bad. I'm going to be using Bronze Nebula. Oh, love the name. Wait, no, wrong name. Major Mahogany. Yep, I'm going to be using Major Mahogany right here. And I'm going to go ahead and draw a cut crease line with this eyeshadow. Okay, so my camera stopped working, so we're just going to keep going. Go ahead and blend out the edges with, actually I cut the cut crease and I powdered it down with a white base powder. Gives me that pop of white. And we're just going to slightly blend the edges like an ombre effect. I cleaned the edges. It looks pretty okay, I guess, right? On the top of my eyelid, I use my by far favorite palette of the year. That's the Pat McGrath Labs, the Mothership. Just, it looks really good. Go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera and watch me film it. And here I go, filming this repetitive process on camera. I promised myself I was not going to do it, but here I am. So this is how I cover up my beard. It's basic. A lot of people do it. A lot of drag queens. A lot of people that have high pigmentation or blemishes. As for me, I have a full-on beard mode and I don't want to showcase that. Okay, anyways, I'm going to go ahead and powder my whole face. It doesn't transfer into my foundation, so I don't look like an Oompa Loompa in public. Yes, I'm going out. I think it's pretty much done. It's just too much powder. Full coverage on the beard and then light coverage on my face, and then really light coverage underneath my eyes because they excessively creases. Like the more foundation I apply underneath my eyes, it's just gonna look really cakey, and I don't want that during a public gathering. Oh my god, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour cream kit in medium. And usually I had this for like 5 years now, and I know I'm not supposed to be using this, but it still works. Go ahead and just carve out your cheeks. Anyways, go ahead and blend everything out. So, but go ahead and just it up with the combo lip on my lips are the Pat McGrath liner lip and the Fenty Beauty lipstick. The color, well, doesn't really have a name, but it's here. Ooh, okay, so I'm here. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, like this video, and follow me on Instagram right here. Yes. Remember to always slay and stay fierce. Bye. Love ya. Oh, that feels so good. Oh my god, I have to clean all this mess.